Welcome to our quick guide on how to add members to a project. There are 2 methods to add members to a project. Let's check out the first method. First, go to the Projects section in the left menu bar. This is where you'll find all your active and completed projects. Click on Project List to see an overview of all the projects you've created. This will help you easily find the project you want to update. Once you've found the project you want to add members to, simply check on the project details. Look for the plus icon under the Members header. This icon is your gateway to adding new team members to your project. Clicking the plus icon will open a pop-up window where you can manage your team members. Here, you'll be able to select from the list of available members in your organization. Click on Select Members to display a drop-down list of all the members you can add. This list helps you quickly find the person without scrolling through long directories. You can add multiple members if needed by repeating this step. After selecting the members, click the Add button to confirm your selection. This will immediately add them to the project's member list. You'll now see the new members listed under the project's Members section, ready to collaborate with your team. Another way to add members to the project is by selecting the desired project from the project list. In the top right corner, you'll see the members' images for that particular project. Click the arrow button to proceed. You'll be redirected to a page where you can view the member details. At the top, you'll find an option called Add Members. Select members from the drop-down list and click the Add button to include them in the project. That's it! You've successfully added new members to your project, making collaboration easier. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you manage your projects more effectively.